Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. So today's video is super exciting to me because if you have been following my channel for a while, you know that I do a lot of transformative makeup videos, or I used to post them really heavy back in the day. I have done transformation videos transforming into a lot of different things. This is me transforming into my father at my age. And basically, I saw a picture of him and I have his exact same bone structure, so I thought it would be cool for me to transform into how he looked in the picture. This is me transforming into my alter ego, and I basically just gave myself some piercings and tattoos and just became that fierce, kick-ass woman that is my alter ego. I also did like some special effects makeup, bringing awareness to domestic violence, which is this particular video, and I also transformed into a different race, which is this video right here. So if you haven't seen any of those videos, I'll have all of the links down below in the description box for you guys to click on if you are bored. Make sure you guys check that out. And now today I will be transforming into an older version of myself. I'm not sure how old I am in this video. Let me know down below in the comment section what you think my name would be if you didn't know my name, and how old I look. So for this video, I am grabbing some prosthetics. The first box of prosthetics that I will be using is going to be for my smile lines. This is by Bryant Gamut Studios, and I'll have the link down below. And I did get some crow's feet as well as under eye bags for my age forward makeup transformation as well. And I did get some like lip lines as well as some more crow's feet for my eyes. Okay, so let's jump right into applying the prosthetic. So basically it applies like you're applying a tattoo. So you would basically just shape it to where you want to do the application. You would put some water on the back of it and you would basically just peel it off and it will be stuck onto your skin. So I'm going to do that to both sides of my face, and that's going to basically give me deeper laugh lines or smile lines. So when dealing with prosthetics, it's important that you take your time when you are doing this. So it's not going to blend in seamlessly with your skin straight off the bat. You do have to kind of mold it to fit your face. So I do have some alcohol and I am like rubbing the areas that are sticking off on the edges. I'm just rubbing them away with that alcohol just to smooth it out a little bit so that it can be like a smoother, flawless finish. It didn't exactly all come off, but we are going to just work on that a little bit later. I do want to just apply all of the prosthetics first before going in and trying to clean it up. So next I am cutting out, or I already did cut out the under eye bags. I'm taking the water and I am just going to moisten the back of that paper and I'm just going to peel it off. You're going to see me making very weird faces because when you are dealing with prosthetics, you want it to basically show your natural lines and creases as much as possible. You know, you want to bring depth to them. So I'm going to make as many faces as possible so that it can really, I guess, exaggerate those lines much more than they already are. Next, I will be grabbing my caster sealer, and this is basically going to seal in that product and help smooth it out a little bit more. So for the rest of my face, I will be grabbing this old Age Stipple, and I did get it in B. They do also have an A, but I chose to get B because it's a little bit more pronounced, and it does also work well on your hands if you want to have old age hands, which I skipped for this video. I didn't have enough time, but basically I'm just getting a makeup sponge, and I am stretching my skin first, and I am applying a thin layer of that, allowing it to dry. I'm going to keep my skin stretched, apply a couple of more layers on it, and then allow that to dry. And then I'm going to let my skin go, and then it's going to create like more pronounced lines on my face. It's important that you're holding your skin taut so that when you let go, it creates more of an illusion of aged skin. It's important to do a few layers of this. I was kind of rushing through this video because I was super excited about my prosthetics. So do a few more layers and allow it to dry completely, and then allow your skin to drop. Okay, so this is how it looks up close. What I missed was around my mouth area. I did not apply any there at all, which I should have. So that part kind of didn't come out looking like the rest of the skin. When you are doing this, make sure that you do your entire face. And if I would have done more layers, then it would have blended in better with the prosthetics. As you can see, the prosthetics are thicker than the old age stipple. So I kind of had a problem with that when I put my makeup on top of it. But obviously it's not my skin complexion, so I had to put makeup on top of it. So we are just going to I did apply darker makeup to my face because it is white underneath. And if I would have put my skin tone of makeup on first, then it would have been too light. So I'm basically just blending out a couple of shades to get a color. And we're just going to try to make this work. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a brown eyeshadow, and I am using like a smaller defining brush, and I'm going to define those creases a little bit more so that even when I'm not making these weird shapes, you can still see the lines and the depth within my age lines. Okay, so this step is totally optional. If I would have realized it would have came out so yellow, I probably would have never used this. But I did want to make it look like my teeth was weathered and older looking, and I picked up nicotine from the special effects store. And as you can see, nicotine is not the color that I thought it was going to be. So I had to like double check myself, like what color is this? It's camel. It's not nicotine. But it's the only thing that I had on hand. So I'm like, all right, let me just make sure that my teeth are completely dry. And then I'm going to apply this to my teeth just to see how it's going to look. So here I am with the first stroke. And I'm like, what in the world is going on? Why are my teeth mustard color? I don't know. If you are doing an old age makeup look, this ain't the brand that you need. And this ain't the shade that you need either. If anything, I'm not being offensive. I hope I'm not being offensive. If anything, a lot of older people, they have dentures. So you should just wear your own teeth anyway. That's how I feel. Okay, finally for the fun part, I am going to grab Miss Emily here, honey. And she is from the Foxy Lady, Foxy Silver Collection. And she is a Foxy Lady indeed, as you can see. I'm going to put this wig on, and then I'm going to open my eyes, and I'm going to reveal this look to myself for the first time with the whole look together. And here we go. I feel like this look would not be complete without some red lipstick. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab Ruby Woo by MAC, and oldie but goodie. And I'm gonna put a darker lipstick on the outer portion of my lips just to darken it a little bit. And then I'm going to put my glasses and my church hat on, y'all. And Miss Mabel will be finished and ready for the party. The only things that I would change about this makeup if I was to do it again in the future, and I also did add some age spots to my face as well. The only things that I would change about this makeup is that I would add that old Age Stipple to my entire face. I would do way more layers than what I did. And I would probably try to get the prosthetics as flat as I could because they did peel off a lot. So I'm going to work on those a little more, and I will definitely be coming back with 2.0 of this look or another transformation using prosthetics. This was my first time using prosthetics ever, and yeah, I don't know. I love the process, but I do have to practice on it more. So you'll definitely be seeing more of those videos. Let me know what you would be interested in seeing me transform into next. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comments down below in the comment section and check down below in the description box for more information. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.